So children, I hope you are able to understand how to find out which is an action word and which is not. So we are going to do some more activities and you will be quite familiar by the next class to tell me what is a verb and what is not a verb. So we will move on to the next few sentences. We raked leaves in the yard. Raked is to take. So the action that is done is raked. So we circle or we mark the word raked. So the word raked is the action being done by us in the yard. Our family was eating pie for dessert. So what action was our family doing? They were eating pie for dessert. So the word eating becomes the action word or the verb. The next sentence is, I like to dig in my sandbox. So what action I like to do is I like to dig. So dig becomes the verb or the action word. The next sentence is, the flag is waving in the wind. So what is the flag doing? It is waving. So the action done is waving. Like we wave our hands to say goodbye, the flag for the wind is waving, that is moving about. The pig rolled in the mud. So what is the pig doing? It is rolling itself in the mud. So the word rolled becomes the action word. So I'm going to read the sentences once more and you will understand what are the verbs here. We raked leaves in the yard. So the word raked is the action word. Our family was eating pie for dessert. So eating is the action word or the verb. I like to dig in my sandbox. So the word dig is the action done by me. The flag is waving in the wind. So for the wind, the flag is waving. So waving is the action being done. The pig rolled in the mud. So the pig is rolling itself in the mud. So the word rolled is the action word. So the words raked, eating, dig, waving, rolled are all the verbs or action words or doing words. So are you ready to move on to the next few sentences? The dog is drinking water. So what action is the dog doing? It is drinking. So I mark the word drinking. It is the verb or the action word. The next sentence is, the horse is eating hay. So what action is the horse doing? It is eating. So the word eating is the action word. The next sentence, I like to jump rope. So what do I like to do? Jump. So jump becomes the verb or the action word. I go to dance class. What do I do? I go to the dance class. Why? I like to dance. So dance is the verb or the action word. He writes his name. So what action is he doing? He is writing. So writes becomes the verb or the action word. Can I go to the park? So what action I am doing? I am going. So go becomes the verb or the action word. I am playing a game. So playing is the verb or the action being done by me. So I am playing. I like to draw cars. So I draw. So draw is the action that I am doing. So the word draw. So we have, the dog is drinking water. So drinking is the action word. The horse is eating a. Eating is the action word. I like to jump rope. Jump is the action word. I go to dance class. So dance is the action word. He writes his name. So writes is the verb. Can I go to the park? So go is the action word. I am playing a game. So playing is the action word. I like to draw cars, and draw is the action word or the verb. So drinking, eating, jump, dance, writes, go, playing, draw. These are all the verbs or the action words in the sentences.